Hi, today I'm going to show you a dream property. Farm with 8,914 square meters, waterfall, shale houses next to Ribeira de Fróia. Consisting of shale houses, one of which has 2 floors, 64 square meters and has already been registered as an urban article. It has a fantastic waterfall and borders the Fróia stream. Next to the house, there is also a cave with a peculiar structure. It has flat areas, ideal for cultivation, and also areas with some slope, giving even more charm to this beautiful property. The path is on dirt, however accessible to any vehicle. Beautiful property, isolated, fantastic views with unique features. Provides total privacy in the middle of the forest and at the same time is about 5 minutes from the village of Fróia, Sobreira Formosa, where you will find all the local amenities. Just 35 minutes from Castelo Branco, this is the perfect place for those who dream of living close to nature or even to create a beautiful rural tourism project. Schedule your visit now. See you soon!